Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Zippertubing TV. My name is Corey, and today we're going to cover how to properly install one of our products. The Zippertubing Z-Track is our strongest closure, but don't let that scare you. It's incredibly simple to close. Begin by loosely wrapping the jacket and cable bundle with a cable tie or Velcro strap. Then use your thumb to open the female side of the track. Take the pliers and insert the teeth into the track. Pull back 1 to 2 inches from the end to give yourself enough room to grab the wrap. Slide the male side of the wrap forward into the pliers, grabbing onto the wrap, and begin to pull the jacket closed. Now, grab your cable tie or Velcro strap and move it up the bundle. The strap works as a third hand, assisting in the closing of the bundle. As you work down your bundle, slide the cable tie or Velcro strap down with you, ensuring that the jacket wraps around the bundle. If your tool struggles gliding across the track, you may use isopropyl alcohol to help lubricate the track. Following these steps will make installing Z-Track simple and prolong the life of your wrap. Guys, I can't thank you enough for taking the time to watch this video. It would mean the world to us if you can click over here on the right to watch one of our EMI series videos, or here on the left to watch one of our product install videos.